Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald and I post ballet and fitness related videos every single week. Let's begin today's 7-minute ab workout with 10 toe taps in a high plank. So go ahead, get ready in your high plank and tap your toe out and in 10 times, starting with the right. Let's go to the right and the left. Keep going for 8. We have 2 more. 1, we put one elbow down, then we press up and up again, down, up, up. Let's do 8 more. Let's finish up that last one. Staying on our hands and our feet, we drive the right knee in and then the left. Let's go for right and left and right. These slow mountain climbers I know are challenging by the end, but let's keep going. Keep your belly button to spine connection. Let's do 2 more. 2 and 1. Beautiful. Go ahead and press up to a downward dog just to relax for a little bit. Shake out your legs. Do it feels good. Let's shift forward to our high plank again. This time, instead of toe taps, we do 10 plank jacks. Let's go out and in with the feet. So we jump outside of our mat and inside of our mat. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Starting with your left elbow, we tap it down, right elbow down, push up and up. Again, down, up, down, up for 4. We do this 10 times. Keep going. Finishing up this last one, option to do 10 slow mountain climbers or pick up the pace and do 20 faster ones. Whatever you choose to do, we are about halfway there. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Go ahead and sit back, roll out your wrists. We're going to meet on our seat with our legs in front of us. Option to keep the toes on the floor or try to lift your shins to be parallel to your mat. Hinge your shoulders back, making sure you're engaging your core, and we turn our upper body towards the right, back to center, turn it to the left, back to center. Keep going for 8, back to center, and 7, back to center. Let's go for 6, back to center, 5, back to center. As we turn our upper body, really keep your core engaged here and try not to wiggle your hips side to side. We're almost there. Keep going. 2 more. Next one, we place our hands behind us. We pull the shoulders back, extend the legs in front of us, and drive the knees in. Keep going for 9, 8, and 7, 6, 5, almost there, 4, 3, 2. Last one, we're going to hold it extended here. Shoulders rolled back, legs extended. We flutter kick for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Relax. Give yourself a hug. I know that was super challenging. We only have a few more left. Let's roll all the way onto our back for our last core series. Stack your knees above your hips. Knees are bent. Arms are in front of your shoulders as you lay down. Extend the right leg down, left arm up. Bring it back in and switch sides. Extend the left leg down, right arm up. Bring it back in. Let's do 8 more dead bugs just like this. Beautiful. Let's do 1 more. Extend that left leg, right arm, bring it back in. Keep your legs where they are. Lift your upper body and shoulders off the floor and do little pulses with your arms as you exhale, 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 inhale, 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 exhale, 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 inhale, inhale, inhale. See if you can extend those legs a little bit lower for 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Give yourself a hug. That is so challenging. I know. Turn your head side to side. roll out your hips, roll out your ankles. We only have 2 more exercises, guys. We've almost made it. We're going to do some bicycles, but this time for bicycles, we're going to try to extend our legs nice and high as if you're actually pedaling on a bike. As you turn your elbows towards the opposite knee, keep your upper body lifted. See how low you can lower that extended leg. Let's go. We are going to reverse the bicycle for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. We're almost there. 5. Keep going. 4. You've got this. 3, 2. Last one. Give yourself a big hug. We are going to roll all the way up for the final exercise. On our seat, we are going to hold a V hold. Shoulders are back, legs are extended slightly in front, feet are off the floor as a challenging option, and palms are facing the ceiling. As we bring our shoulders back, flip the palms down. As we exhale, we do little pulses for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, flip the palms up. We pulse for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flip the palms down. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flip the palms up. Inhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do that all 2 more times. Keep going with your own breath. All right, friends, we have made it to the stretching portion, so go ahead and meet me in a tabletop. And when you're ready, let your belly fall, look up, and release your abdominals so you can feel a nice, juicy stretch in your core here in our cow stretch. Let's tuck the chin to the chest, look at the navel in a cat just to contrast, and then inhale, look up into a cow once again. Let's do one more cat as we exhale here. Beautiful. Go ahead and tuck your toes under, lift your hips up into a downward facing dog. Just pedal out your feet here. We're going to walk our feet in a little bit more. Roll forward by tucking the pelvis under the head and chin and chest. The last thing is to roll forward in a high plank. Gently place the knees down as an option, or keep the knees up off the floor as you work through a push-up position all the way to your belly. On the next inhale, let's push into the floor with our hands. Look up into a nice cobra stretch. This is so well deserved, guys. I don't know about you, but I was definitely feeling this one, and I don't think it's just the heat outside. I think I was feeling this because it was a bit of a challenge. So let me know in the comments down below what you think and what you want to see next. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.